Today we are going to learn how we can connect our Postbase with storage. So let's get started. So once you have your Postbase installed and up and running, just click on the dashboard. Obviously, you have to log in if you haven't logged in before. Go to your project and then click on storage. If you haven't connected any storage yet, you will see a different UI, but essentially what you can do is you can click on add connection here and then select what kind of storage connection you want to build here. We'll be learning about Cloudflare R2 today, so let's click on that. The connection name, I'm going to say Cloudflare 2. And then bucket name. So for that, you have to log in into your Cloudflare account and then click on storage and databases and then R2 object and click on overview. And then you have to click on create bucket. So here, let's say test v2. And then you have to select your jurisdiction or select automatic and standard or infrequent access, whatever is applicable for you. Again, you can't use any spaces, so I think I have to remove that. Click and create bucket. Once the bucket is created, just copy the bucket name from here, put it into the bucket name here, and then it will ask you to update the course policy as well as the details here. So in order to update these details, you go back and then you click on your R2 object, and then you can copy the account ID from here and paste it here. So let's say like this, and then it will automatically generate your S3 API URL. Then you need access key ID and secret key ID, which you could generate by clicking here, and then click user API tokens here for user specific APIs. Once that's done, you copy those and then put it access keys and a secret key here. And then once that's done, you can select this connection as default and then add connection. One thing I forgot to say is you have to go to your object bucket and then click on settings, and then here you have your course policy. So click on course policy and then click on add, and it will show you something like this, which you have to update with your domain here, whatever domain you're using and whatever allowed method you want to go. So if you want to upload something or read something, you have to allow methods get put and delete like that. All right, great. So once that's done, you can click on your bucket here, and then you can see that your images are uploaded and you can view your images clearly here. You can create multiple folders inside and then explore through inside the folders also. So this is how simple it is to connect your new storage into your Postbase. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.